Credit is what makes it possible for people to borrow money for goods and services they may not be able to afford. Mortgages and auto loans are forms of credit, and without those, many people wouldn't be able to purchase a car or home. Credit cards can also come in handy to pay for expensive repairs or costs incurred during emergency situations. While credit offers numerous benefits, many people get into trouble with it. This series is designed to help educate you about credit and your credit report, as well as provide tips on how to improve your credit score. The two most common types of credit are revolving credit, which allows you to make charges up to a set credit limit. You are required to make a payment each month toward your balance and are charged interest until the balance is paid or the account is closed. And installment credit, which is a loan with a set repayment term. You pay an amount each month until the term is up. Mortgages and auto loans are examples of installment loans.